Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about something that I get asked a lot, and I just decided, you know what, this is another one of those videos where I need to make it so that I can direct people to the right place. And that is natural hair products within Australia. So I get a lot of questions about this, where to buy products, where I buy products, what the best products are, whether I've tried this product, whether I haven't tried this product, so on. So I made this video so that it's a one-stop place for us to discuss, for us to help each other out, and for me to give a little bit of insight. But I'm going to list down below all of this stuff that I'm discussing, so you can just go into the description box, or you can watch the video as well, and all the information will be there. We'll start with the cheapest stuff, which is combs. The combs that I use are just plastic combs that I got from the $2 shop. You guys will know that comb set that comes with like in the plastic, and it has like this one and all these other ones, and you lose all of them. Yeah, that's what I got these from. They sell them individually at $2 shops within Australia. If you go to any $2 shop, I'm not sure about the reject shop, but if you go to any $2 shop, whether it be, you know, the ones that I'm talking about, they're usually Asian owned, but there are some other ones out there. But I usually find that the ones that are not Asian owned don't have these. So I have been through to a few looking for this specific comb, which is my go-to comb, and they don't have them. Denim, is it denim? Tangle teasers. Tangle teasers, you can get them anywhere. Hair House, Warehouse, Kmart, $2 shops, Coles, Woolwoths. It depends on the price. I got this for $2. So if you want to spend $13 for it, you can go to Hair House, Warehouse. But if you want to spend $2, go to the $2 shop. If you want to spend like $5, $6, go to Kmart, reject shop, places like that. You just have to sort of know the area and look around. I got all this stuff when I was back in at my parents' house, so I knew that area like the back of my hand. Now, not so much. I'm still learning the area and where to go and things like that. But combs, easy to find. If you don't mind spending the coin, you can go to Priceline, Chemist, Warehouse, all these other places. I'm not sure whether you'll find this specific one. This one, you can find it online, Amazon, eBay, or $2 shop. You can hit me up directly to know where I specifically got my one if you're in that area, if you want to drive there. Other more sort of specific combs, like this one, I use for detangling. This one I got from a partnership, but you can also get it from eBay and from Amazon. This is one that came out not too long ago for, like, you know, natural hair detangling, kinky coily hair, things like that. So combs, easy to find. Then there goes to products. Products are more difficult to find, especially here in Australia. Obviously there's online, you can buy online. There are heaps of different online stores you can use if you just search up, you know, the product you want, Shea Moisture, Jackie's, whatever. You can find it online. You may have to pay for shipping to Australia and things like that, but you know, it's available online. But if you want to go specifically into a store to have a look and browse and this and that, Shea Moisture is available at Priceline, Priceline Pharmacy. You won't be able to see it. Sorry. Shea Moisture is available at Priceline Pharmacy. So if you want to get Shea Moisture, you can. This is what I use, simply because it's available. It is pricey, with which what isn't here in Australia. Majority of the good products, natural hair products, even just general shampoo, conditioner, is expensive. So it is pricey. This runs for about $28. This runs for about the same amount. Shampoo and conditioner, you could be spending up to $60 for shampoo, conditioner, and a mask at Priceline. So that's available. The Shea Moisture range, especially, I recommend the Manuka Honey and Mafura oil range for my hair type, which is type 4 hair. I swear by it. That's what I use. That's what my husband uses. By fire, by force. There's nothing else in the house. And it's great for our hair. I do use some of the other products as well, such as the coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie, the leave-in, I don't know this one by heart. Manuka honey and yogurt hydrate repair leave-in. So you can't go wrong with Shea Moisture. That's the honest truth. Then there are other products such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, things like that. Coconut oil, you can buy it anywhere. Make sure you buy not the one for cooking, because I know the cooking one sometimes has other things added to it. So buy the one that's just organic. You can buy it at Asian grocers, you can buy it at Indian grocers, you can buy it at Coles, Woolwoths, Priceline, Chemist warehouse. All over the place you can buy organic coconut. You can even buy it online if you want as well. Just make sure you're buying organic, the organic one, not the cooking one. That's the only thing. Please, I beg, not the cooking one. But yeah, other oils such as raw organic oils you can buy at Priceline Pharmacy. You can also buy them at the warehouse, Chemist warehouse. I know Chemist warehouse has an organic range for oils. They have jojoba oil there. I don't know if they have any other oils, but I've seen jojoba oil there. It's quite expensive. It's about $20 something for like a bottle this big. But if you're desperate, it's there. There's also online, I saw eBay sells a lot of oils as well, such as jojoba oil, such as mafura oil, such as all these other oils. But my only concern and my only reason as to why I haven't bought it is because I don't know how true and reliable the oils are. So I'd rather buy it from a reputable place where I can go and complain if I have an allergic reaction. Other things such as eco stylers, I'm naming I'm like Coke, such as gels and more specific hair products such as things like hair, braiding hair and things like that, as well as things like mousses for braiding and for your hair, and gels and things like that, and contour leave-ins. These are things you will not find very readily on eBay in Australia. They're things you won't find very readily shopping online. It might come with some shipping and this and that. Those kind of stuff, you can buy them at what we call the African shops. So they're in America, they're called beauty supply, whatever, can't remember. Anyway, we're talking about Australia here. In Australia, we call them the African shops, and they sell African products from a lot of different countries. There are quite a few around in Footscray, in Dandenong, in Sunshine, those type of places. If you search up African shop near me, you will find an African shop near you. And there are a few that I personally recommend because I go to them myself on a regular basis, with which one of them is a Zimbabwean lady, support your own people. Is a Zimbabwean lady, and she actually does go to my church and she owns the business. It's in Dandenong, so I'm going to put that down below as well. There's one in Footscray as well that specializes more in like braids. You can find braids for really cheap, good prices there. The one in Sunshine has food, and we're not just talking like Zimbabwe food, like they have a lot of different foods. They have crayfish, they have braids, they have pounded yam, they have hoop food, they have so much stuff there. And that's where I got majority of this stuff that I have here. I took one trip there and I like stocked up, and the prices are relatively good as well. Then the last place that you can get natural hair products within Australia is independent small businesses, and there are quite a few small businesses that sell natural hair products in Australia. I don't want to name any just in case, you know, there's more and I miss some, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to link them down below, and I'm also going to add in the description box so that they're there for you to have a look and to check out. There are a lot of small businesses that specialize in natural hair products and things like that, so you can check them out as well. If you want to buy some of these things like jojoba oil for a good price, you can buy it there. You know, growth oils, organic shea butter. If you don't trust the one from the African shop, you can get it from a small business who is a little bit more reliable. You know, the turnover is a bit quicker, so the likelihood of getting something is not as high. But yeah, so those are the three main areas that you can get product within Australia. In store at an African shop, in store at just generic stores, and also businesses. Majority of them are usually black owned businesses. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. You who I have directed here, but everyone here. What I do ask is if you know any other ways, any other businesses and things like that that are not listed or whatever, comment down below so that whoever goes to watch this video next, or whenever in a year or whatever's time, has that knowledge and has that wisdom. Let's not leave each other hanging. Let's not leave each other with dry, brittle hair. I'm always happy to share where I get things, where I'm buying things, because we are one family. So I'm not one of those people that will be like, that's my secret. It's not my secret, okay? So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked the video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you liked the video, and I'll see you guys next week.